Hello, what's up? Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I miss you guys so much. Yes, you, all of you. Okay, so on today's episode, we're gonna talk about tools and the use of it. I mean tools, I mean brushes, makeup brushes and their uses. Okay, so I've seen people using things wrongly, so I am going to teach you how to use this brush for that. Like that. Okay, so I have some brushes here. Can you see it? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to show you which brushes I use to conceal, to blend, for powdering, for foundation. Oh, I love this episode. Okay, so let's get straight to brushes for our foundation. Okay, I know people love to use Beauty Blender for their foundation, but I am not a fan of Beauty Blender. I mean the foam one, the foam. Yes, I love foundation brush, and I love a seated foundation brush like this. Well, people love to use a flat brush like this for foundation. It's a no for me, because I believe that when you're doing a foundation, it should be able to push into the skin. You don't rub it on the skin. So I love this kind of tool. So this is your foundation brush. Okay, and so before foundation, people do powder. You want something for your powder? This is your powder brush. Powder brush. It should look fluffy. Powder brush. And my favorite brush is my concealer brush. Your concealer brush should be flat. I mean extremely flat, so that in concealing your brows, it makes it look sharp. I love sharp brows. Yes. Okay, so when you get to your eyeshadow, which brushes do you use for eyeshadow? I love to use a blending brush. This is a fluffy blending brush, a blending brush that can pick the transition, blend it properly. Makeup is all about blending. You know that's what. I'm not teaching you something that will lead you into trouble. I give you the things that you will need to help you achieve flawless look. And then, okay, this is your highlighter brush. If you want to glow up, so this is your highlighter brush. And then, well, if I want to get a smudge nose contour, I use this brush. Well, I created this brush myself because I want my nose to be snatched. So I love this. I could snatch my nose properly with this brush. You can call it blending brush, a flat blending brush. Okay, thank you all for watching. Oh no, wait. If I want to brush my brow up, I have the spoolie, as long and strong. So I brush my hair up before I conceal. This is called spoolie, not spoon. I said spoolie. All right, thank you all for watching, and I know this is going to help you. Now you know your concealer, you know your blending, you know your spoolie, you know your powder brush, you know your foundation brush. So on the next episode, guess what is going to happen? No, I won't tell you. Stay tuned, honey, but don't forget to subscribe and follow me on IG, Rosie_Glams. Love you all.